storefronts are not the only way you can run your baking business. Many people run successful bakeries from their home or from a commercial kitchen. Don't let a storefront be the reason you don't chase your dreams. Learn more about starting a bakery without a storefront. If you want to start a bakery business, the first thing that you need to do is write a business plan. The first reason you need a bakery plan is so that you treat your business as a business. If you're selling things and trading things for actual money, it's a business. Treat it like a business. The second reason is you're going to have a business plan to obtain funding. Financial institutions are going to require that you've put some thought and a process and plan into place for your business. The third reason that you have to have a business plan is because it gives you goals, it gives you vision, it gives you direction for your business. Yes, it needs to be fluid, things are going to change, but you need to put it on paper and see where you want to go. If you'd like more information about business plans and starting a bakery business, check out the link. Before you start a baking business, there are some questions that you need to ask yourself. Start by grabbing a piece of paper, pen, your notes on your phone, something like that, and sit and answer some of these questions to really dig deep down and think about your bakery business. Who is your ideal customer? What do they want? When do they want it? How do they want it? What are they looking for? Really think about your ideal customer. Get to really know them. How do you plan for your bakery to work? What is the goal, the expectations? Like, how is it all going to work? Ideally, what do you want to happen? Where do you envision your bakery? Storefront, online, out of your home, commercial kitchen? Like, really, how do you think it's going to function? Where is it going to function? Where, what, how? Last question would be, what is your role going to be in it? Who is going to be in it? Like, who are your teammates? Are you doing everything? Are you going to bring people on? Do you have somebody to partner with? How is it going to run? If you're going to start a bakery without a storefront, you need to decide if you're going to do it from your home or if you're going to use a commercial kitchen. Starting a bakery from home is usually quicker, usually depending on your state, cheaper, and easier, but is very limiting typically on what you can do. The other option is to use a commercial kitchen, which can be expensive, but there are ways around an expensive commercial kitchen. There are companies that are just commercial kitchens that you can rent from, but you can look at churches, you can look at pretty much any business that has a commercial kitchen license and has been inspected by the health department. If you're going to go that route, just ask. The best thing you can do is ask them if they're willing to make an arrangement. Most places will probably say no, but there will be places that say yes, and that's what we did. If you want to do a bakery from your home, make sure you check your local state cottage food laws. If you're going to do it from a commercial kitchen, that opens you up to a world of possibilities. It's not as limiting as the food cottage laws. Make sure to check back for more information, or you can always go to our profile and check out our website. Thanks. So excited for you. You've figured out your business entity. So what do you do next? You need to research and register in your state to establish your business. Then you actually need to research and register in your city or county. Sometimes there's county, sometimes there's city, sometimes there's both. After you've registered, then you need to file for a federal EIN number, and that is through irs.gov. But it doesn't end there. Then you need to file for your state tax and sales tax. Of course, it couldn't be that simple because you also need to make sure that there's not an additional city or county tax that you need to file for. If you cannot find what you're looking for, pick up the phone and call your state, your local, all of them, and ask them specifically, like, what numbers do I need? How do I get that information? Pick up the phone and ask. The process can seem absolutely scary, but it's simple. It's all part of being a business owner. You got to put on your big girl pants and just get it done so that it's ready to go, and then you can start your business. After you register your business, you'll want to go ahead and reserve your domain name. We got ours through Google Domains, but there are other places like GoDaddy where you can reserve a domain name. Once you reserve your domain name, you can then reserve your social media handles for Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You want to try to make all of your handles the same across all your social media. Keep watching our stories to learn more on how you can start your bakery business. All right, so you're registered, you've got your insurance, you've got all your tax information, you are ready to go, you've got your website, social media set up. So what is next for your baking business? Time for you to choose your point of sale system, get your bookkeeping together, and then figure out your pricing so that you can start baking and selling your product. If you need help finding out why you need a POS system, or if you need help setting up your bookkeeping or even your pricing, check out our website. We have great resources for anybody who wants to start a baking business.